guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I want to do a meal, or what my meal plan for the week is going to be, and a grocery haul for you guys. So I just want to say before we jump in that I would love if you follow me on Instagram. It's at Karen H Ireland is my username over there, and also I do have a blog. On my blog I post slightly different content to what I post here on YouTube. The very odd time it is the same content, but more than likely it will be different type content to what I upload here. Again, it is kind of mom lifestyle related, so if you're interested in that, I would love if you go and check it out. It's Our Irish Family is the blog's name, and if you are new here, I'd love if you subscribe, and if you are a new subscriber or a returning subscriber, I would love if you hit that little bell button. And what that bell button does, it just lets you know every single time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So on the menu this week is as follows. On Monday we're having chicken Kievs. These are homemade ones that I make myself, slim and well friendly. Tuesday we're having burgers and chips, again homemade burgers, slim and well friendly. Wednesday is the pulled pork. I have a video on this if you're interested. Again, it's slim and well friendly, so definitely look that up if you're interested in pulled pork. Thursday is left blank. I'm not quite sure what we're doing Thursday. We may eat out, or we may, if we don't eat out, I do have pork that I can do here, although we just had pork the day before. We'll figure it out. Friday is lasagna. Again, I will be doing a video. It is on my video list to do how I make my homemade lasagna. Again, it's all slim and well friendly. Friday or Saturday is steak and chips, and then Sunday we always have dinner out in Robert's parents' house. So this is our meal plan for the week. So this is from Tesco's today. So the first thing I got are these reduced pork chops, and pork loins, I think. Yeah, pork loin chops. So they were originally €4, but I got them today for $2.40 because they are going to be by the best by date very soon. It's used by the 22nd. So I'm just going to freeze these. I'm just going to put them in freezer bag and freeze them. So that was a pretty good deal. Next thing we have is the porridge. It is a 1 kilo bag of Flavin's Porgus Oatlets. Robert and Ava have this pretty much every morning. Down here we have the Charleville Mature Red Cheddar Cheese. I really like this, especially on like toasted sandwiches, and Ava eats this every single day as well. Then we have the Keeling's Taste Burst Blueberries. Again, these are Ava's favorites. They are more expensive than the own store blueberries, but she just really loves these ones. Then my old favorite Dolmio Stirring, the sun-dried tomato light. I always have to get one of these for just very quick lunches, and I don't have to make up a bolognese sauce for it. I got 2 deodorants for Robert. I got him a Lynx Antiperspirant Excite and Lynx Antiperspirant Black. These were on sale today. They were half price, which is why I got him 2. I only ever buy him deodorant if they're on sale. So the next thing, I have 4 of these Muller Light yogurt. It's the vanilla with the chocolate sprinkles, my fave. Then my new favorite is these Hula Hoop Puffed Salt and Vinegar. I really like these. They are great to soothe my craving, and I have pretty much a packet of these every night. My Slimming World plan allows that. These are 3.5 sins. Down here we have these gluten-free white ciabatta rolls. If you are on Slimming World, you can use one of these as your healthy extra B. So these are 4 of these, and it's because I'm going to be making pulled pork sandwiches during the week. Then here we have Pro Enamel Sensodyne's toothpaste. So since I got my teeth cleaned and my wisdom tooth out, I've been using this, and it was on sale today. So I only so I picked it up when I saw it on sale. Boost Bites, we have become a major fan of these. Again, if you were on Slimming World, one of these is once in, but myself and Robert really like these, so I got these as a treat for both of us. Then I also got a pack of Tampax Super, because you know, girl problems. Then I got this Schwartz chip seasoning. It's the onion and paprika one. I bought one of these a couple of weeks ago, but it was actually the spicy one, and I'm not a massive fan of spice, so I just bought this classic chip seasoning today. Back here for Ava, I got her a packet of these Goodies, Organics Goodies carrot sticks. So usually I give her one of these if we're going to be in the car for a very long time, which I do plan to be tomorrow. It's good weather out, so we're going to be going up the mountain, so we'll definitely be giving her these just to kind of keep her quiet in the back. And then finally from Tesco's, I bought this. It's a Irish free range whole chicken. Again, as you can see down here, it was reduced because the Best Buy is today, so I'm going to cook this up today, and we will take it for sandwiches for Saturday and Sunday. That's what we'll use it for. So as you can see, it was $3.89 and now it was $2.72. So the total I spent today in Tesco's was $38.88 in total. So this is my Aldi haul. So let's just jump straight in. We'll go this way first. So first thing out, we have this tomato puree. It is what it is. It's tomato puree. And then down here we have these heavy duty refuse sacks, and there's 10 of them in this roll. We then have a tin of sweet corn. We then have a tin of chunky chopped tomatoes. Had to get some paprika. I was looking for smoked paprika, but I couldn't find any, so this one will be okay. Then I have one of these Kavala long grain rice. I bought these for the first time last week. It did take me more than 2 minutes to heat it, but I'm assuming that's just my microwave settings. Here we have some mint choc creams. We really like these. If you were on Slimming World, these are 3.5 cents each. Robert needed some ice and sugar for his bacon, so I got that. Back here we have this passata. I use passata pretty much in everything now, so always has to be a staple of our shopping. Then here we have some tuna steaks. I couldn't find the one that I always get, but yeah, this one. Back here we have some burger buns, and you can see here it says 50% off because again they are going off today. So I'm just going to freeze these. You can freeze burger buns, so I'm going to freeze these until we need them. Back here we have 3 packets of this crumbed lean ham. We go through the 3 packets in the week. Robert takes them for lunch and then I make sandwiches, and sometimes I just eat them on their own as well. So always get the crumbed ham. Back here we have the wholemeal tinned bread, the Ballymore crust one. 2 slices of this is your healthy extra B if you're on Slimming World. Down here Robert needed some plain flour. Again, he's really into baking these days, so every 2 weeks or so you'll always see that I have to buy some more baking things. Back here we have a 2-pack of Irish chicken fillet breasts, and as you can see they also had a 50% off because these are, well, like I said, they're off date today, so they're 50%, so I'll freeze these. And then also I got some extra large chicken fillet breasts, so there's 690 grams for these to make chicken Kievs more than likely. One of the days for dinner we're gonna have some steaks, so I just bought these strip line steaks. Down here I bought these. It's just a pack of roast chicken breast pieces, so there's 240 grams in this. This will just be perfect for really quick lunches, and as I said, we are going away tomorrow, so we'll more than likely bring one of these 2. This one is roast chicken tikka breast pieces, and this is 190 or 150 gram packet. Unsmoked bacon rashers, again these are my absolute favorite. And in Slimming World you just need to cut off the fat off the medallion, and then you can just cook the medallion. Then for Robert, he's going to be making some pizza dough, so I got him some mild mozzarella for his pizza dough. He could just shred that up himself. Over here I got these yogurts for Ava. I got her the banana flavor this week. She seemed to like the strawberry and blueberry I got her last week, so I just decided to chance the banana and see how we go. Then I have this 16 pack of Butcher Selected pork sausages. So these will be for Robert. Back here we have these chorizo slices. So these will be for his pizza that he's going to make. Love this chorizo, it's really, really nice. Then here we have this 3 liters of Irish milk. Milk. So then we have this bag of red onions. I really wish I could get my fruit and veg not in plastic, but unfortunately I can't where I shop. So I might have to research it to see, because I want to get as less plastic as I can, especially on my fruit and veg. But anyways, this bag of red onions. Then I have this 30 meters of kitchen foil, aluminum foil as Americans would say. Here we have a bag of organic carrots. So there's 5 carrots in this bag. Down here for Robert I have these safari snacks. So they are like a biscuit with chocolate on one side. Here I have a loose yellow pepper. So this will be used for pizzas and then probably just on sandwiches throughout the week. Here I have 5 oranges. So I was really happy that I could get some of my fruit and veg without plastic on them. So I picked up 5 oranges. Then back here I have these organic potatoes. I use these mainly just for chopping up and making chips or fries, so oven fries. I put them in the oven, spray them with fry light, and then put on a seasoning and then just oven bake them. I then got these bunch of bananas, so there's 6 in it all together. Again, so happy that I didn't have to get the plastic on these. Unfortunately I did have to get plastic on these because I couldn't find any loose conference pears today, so I got this punnet of conference pears. As you know, conference pears are my absolute favorite. Then I did see my favorite Pink Lady apples, and they were loose and free, so I picked up 3 of them because I do still have 3 in the fridge from last week. And I do keep my apples in the fridge. Way nicer. I picked up a pineapple, my fave. Then here we have a little punnet of raspberries. It's been a long time since we had raspberries, so I'm going to try Ava on these. Date's not the best on them, but we'll eat them in the next 3 days anyways. I then got this punnet of plums. Ava actually ate a plum for me the other day, which is amazing. So I love plums, and then hopefully she'll continue to eat some plums for me and widen her food intake that she takes, her variety of food that she takes. Back here we got the big pack of strawberries. So again, myself and Ava both love strawberries, so it's always essential that we get some strawberries in the shopping. So then I got some free range large eggs. Then I have a 4 pack of kitchen towels. So I am going to try and phase out the kitchen towels. I rarely use kitchen towels. Robert is a massive fan of them. So I'm going to try and change them to a more reusable, sustainable option. I did see something online that I can purchase, or I probably can make as well, for kitchen towels, because it really is a waste of this plastic and also the paper that the kitchen towels are made of. So I do kind of want to phase out the kitchen towels. And then finally we got a 9 pack of toilet roll. This is just the normal one we get. Does us just fine. Also not pictured here is 6 2-liter bottles of water, and then also 6 750 milliliters bottles of water that are in the car. So the 750 milliliter bottles will be kept in the car for when we're out and about and we just want some water, and then the 2 liter bottles of water Robert will just take from the car and bring up here so we can have it in the fridge, because our water in our apartment is not good, so we need to buy bottled water. So the total we spent today in Aldi was $74.76.